Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, The Crochet Shop by Nano. In this tutorial, I will show you how to crochet this beautiful scarf. Easy pattern for winter days. Let's start it. First, we need your selected yarn. In this tutorial, I will use bulky Fuji yarn. Suitable crochet hook, I will use 9. To make your scarf more thick, use 5.5mm crochet hook, scissors, yarn needle, and measuring tape. First, make a slip knot, then chain multiples of 3. In this tutorial, I will make 24 chains. After you check your numbers, skip 3 chain stitches from the hook. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet stitch, then chain 1 and another 1 double crochet stitch in the same chain stitch to make the first V. After you finish the first V, skip 2 chain stitches. In the next chain, make another 1 V stitch by making 1 double crochet stitch, chain 1, another 1 double crochet stitch, all in the same chain. Repeat this, skip 2 chain stitches. In the next chain stitch, make 1 V stitch. Repeat this to finish the first row. In the last, you will find 2 chain stitches. Skip 1. In the last chain stitch, make 1 double crochet stitch to finish the first row. Now to make the second row, chain 2. Turn your work. Now in the first V stitch space, make 1 V stitch by making 1 double crochet stitch, chain 1, another 1 double crochet stitch, all in the same stitch. Repeat this in the next V space, make another 1 V stitch, and repeat this to finish all V stitches. Repeat to finish all V stitches. After you finish all V-stitch spaces, in the last you will find chain 3 space. In this space, make 1 double crochet stitch to finish the second row. Now start to repeat the second row as you like to your selected scarf size. So chain 2, turn your work and start to repeat the second row by making V stitches. Repeat to your selected scarf size. In this tutorial I will make 70 inches scarf length. Repeat to your selected size. To make this scarf, I used 5.5 millimeters crochet hook to make it more thicker. In the last, chain 1 and pull the yarn and cut the yarn to fasten off and weave in ends with the yarn needle. Now your beautiful scarf is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give me big thumbs up to see more. See you. Bye bye.